But I mean, this is kind of new. It's in 1990. Is it new because it's showing my age, or is it new because it's just a little bit newer than most of these cars? Well, at least it ain't in the 2000s. But it is definitely a little bit of army green, like I promised you. And talk about lowrider. Woo, you want to rise that up before you take it anywhere. But check out even this dashboard. It looks like it goes on forever. Like a bottomless pit of lights. Love the steering wheel. Love the paint job. But what I love the most is Cat. Cat is just so cool how it was done. And talk about ingenuity. I think everybody can tell me what that is easily. Fuel. No matter how new or how old, when they're in a car show or even when they're not in a car show, please show the respect that is due as they would show it to you. Till next episode of Willis Talk, have fun, clean, and good, respectfully.